I'm in the big leagues, told her don't miss me. Ballin' like Houston, ayy, feelin' like Whitney. I need a bag, bruh, send it through quickly. I'm making hits, dog, like I'm in the big leagues. Told him that I gotta go, dog, I'm riding the road, y'all. I think that I'm back in my bag now, so I need that go, y'all. Got hits when he throwin' the fastball, just too quick for it, peeling off like the whip orange. Seen they effort, this piss poor. I got too much I gotta tend to. Car payments and the rent due. Told y'all that I'm 6 foot, but with the money stabbing, I'm 10-2. Too much that I've been through, so I put it all in that rear view. Clean money.
That usually gets them to come right over and went the other way. It's time. Been waiting all year for this. We fixed to put on a display of shooting like you've never seen.
Did you miss, I guess?
If you say that again, I'm gonna take you home myself.
No, my head's skin.
Yes, I missed, Taya. Stop making fun of me. It takes me a box to get warmed up, but then we can hit them pretty good. Ain't nothing flying yet, so we're probably gonna sit here for about 5 hours and just laugh and talk in the sun. There's no shade here neither. So we ain't got a whole lot upstairs, but we're having fun. Turn him right back like that.
Someone turn them to us. They're finally starting to fly a little bit. Dad's still missing a lot.
Hey, that's not true. Doing really good today. We've decided this needs to be a national holiday. So whoever needs to know this, go ahead and put that on your calendar every year.
It
Dove
technically
season.
is.
No,
Memorial Day or something.
well, you gotta call it Dove Season Day. Oh.
Ow.
Watch this little idiot. Who did that? Huh? Where they've all failed.
Captain Insano shows no mercy.
Hey, Monarch, high brass, go for the real deal right here. You don't feather them. When you shoot, they fold.
We've got our bird picker upper.
Come on, Taya. Bring them back.
Right here, Kevin.
Two fur. We've been in about a 30-minute rain delay. Things should start heating up really good in the next, what time is it?
3:15.
In the next 45 minutes, it's fixing to get real up in here. Thanks, Taya. That's cut camera. 2 down.
Feathered the piss out of that.
Yeah, we did. Go, let him go.
Almost. Kill.
Put on this one. Oh, we did.
He's hurt. Oh, Danny.
I don't know how many
Dead.
we killed.
Ready.
I love these shells. Comes another one. Get down. Nope. Oh. Oh my God.
I got him. Picking up.
Things have really started picking up. I think we killed 2. Get ready. Oh.
Yeah. Do what?
Get right on you, Austin. Right, Austin. Let it go.
That's a mistake.
Right here behind you, Austin. Get serious. Need 2 or 3 of these need to go. Did you get the other one?
They turning. On the power line.
Yeah.
Kill him. Shoot him.
Yep.
Over your head, over your head, over your head.
Seth.
Right here.
Nobody move. Right, Austin. Well, mine fell first shot. That's way closer than the one you just shot at. Got that one.
Starting to pick up. Your shoulder's starting to hurt too.